Hello guys, we explain Sonnet 18. Shall I compare D to a summer's day written by William Shakespeare? Now explanation with reference to the context. Stanza 1. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling birds of May, and summer's lease hath all to suit a date. In this stanza, the rhyming scheme is A-B. Some difficult word meanings. समर्स डे गर्मी का मौसम, लवली सुंदर, टेम्परेट हल्का, डार्लिंग प्यारा, लीच अवधि, शॉर्ट ए डेट छोटा जीवन. कॉन्टेक्स्ट. These lines have been taken from the poem Sonnet 18. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day, written by William Shakespeare. In this poem, the poet compares his friend's beauty to the summer's day. He comes to the conclusion that his friend is more charming than the summer's day. Explanation. In these lines, the poet compares his friend's beauty with a summer day. He finds that his friend is more gentle and lovely than the summer day. Sometimes the rough winds shake the birds in the summer season. The period of summer is very short. It soon goes away, but his friend's beauty is immortal. Thus he pays tribute to his friend. पंक्तियों में कवि अपने मित्र की सुंदरता की तुलना गर्मी के एक दिन से करता है. वह देखता है कि उसका मित्र गर्मी के दिन से अधिक विनम्र और प्यारा है. कभी कभी गर्मी के मौसम में तेज हवाएं कलियों को हिलाती हैं. गर्मी की अवधि बहुत ही छोटी होती है, वह शीघ्र ही चली जाती है, लेकिन उसके मित्र की सुंदरता अमर है. इस प्रकार वह अपने मित्र को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता है. गाइस, इंग्लैंड में ना गर्मी का मौसम सबसे सुहाना होता है. स्टैंजा 2. समटाइम्स टू हॉट द आई ऑफ हेवन शाइन्स, and often is his gold complexion dimmed, and every fair from fair sometime declines, by chance or nature's changing courses untrimed. In this stanza, the rhyming scheme is C-D. Some difficult word meanings. The eye of heaven, सूरज, गोल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्सन सूरज की रोशनी, डिम्ड मदम हो जाना, फेयर सुंदर वस्तु, अनट्राइम्ड सुंदरता से वंचित होना. कॉन्टेक्स्ट. These lines have been taken from the poem Sonnet 18. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day, written by William Shakespeare. In this poem, the poet compares his friend's beauty to the summer's day. He says that his friend is more gentle and lovely than the summer season. Explanation. In these lines, the poet says that in the summer season, the sun is sometimes very hot. However, sometimes it is covered with clouds. Unlike the summer season, his friend's beauty will not fade away. In this world, every beautiful thing loses its beauty one day. It is deprived of its beauty either by accident or with the passage of time, but his friend's beauty will remain constant. इन पंक्तियों में कवि कहता है कि गर्मी के मौसम में कभी कभी सूर्य बहुत गर्म होता है, फिर भी कई बार यह बादलों से ढका होता है। गर्मी के मौसम के विपरीत उसके मित्र की सुंदरता कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगी। इस संसार में हर सुंदर वस्तु एक दिन अपनी सुंदरता खो देती है। यह दुर्घटना से या समय के बीत जाने से अपनी सुंदरता से वंचित हो जाती है, लेकिन उसके मित्र की सुंदरता स्थायी रहेगी। स्टैंजा नंबर 3। बट द इटर्नल समर शैल नॉट फेड नॉर लूज possession of that fair thou worest, nor shall death breach thou wanderest in his shade. When in eternal lines to time thou growest, so long as man can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee. In this stanza, the rhyming scheme is AF, AF, G, G. Some difficult word meanings: eternal, अमर, फेड, धुंधला हो जाना, लूज, पोजीशन, वंचित होना, फेयर, सुंदर, ब्रेज, डिंग मारना, ब्रीथ, सांस लेना। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: These lines have been taken from the poem Sonnet 18 Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day, written by William Shakespeare. In this poem, the poet compares his friend's beauty to the summer season. In this world, every beautiful thing declines, but his friend's beauty is immortal. Explanation: in these lines, the poet says that the summer season is short-lived, but the beauty of his friend is immortal. It will not fade away with the passage of time. He will remain constant as long as time itself lasts. Death cannot boast that it has taken his away. The poet has immortalized his friend in his verses. Therefore, his friend will remain alive so long as humanity exists in this world. Thus, the poet pays a rich tribute to his फ्रेंड। इन पंक्तियों में कवि कहता है कि गर्मी का मौसम क्षणभंगुर होता है, लेकिन उसके मित्र की सुंदरता अमर है। यह समय के प्रहार से ख़त्म नहीं होगी। जब तक समय स्वयं चलेगा वह स्थिर रहेगा। मृत्यु उसे दूर ले जाने की सेखी नहीं मार सकती। कवि ने अपनी कविताओं में अपने मित्र को अमर कर दिया है, इसलिए जब तक इस संसार में मानवता रहेगी तब तक उसका मित्र अमर रहेगा। इस प्रकार कवि अपने मित्र को अच्छी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता है। इन दिस पोएम शेक्सपियर हैज़ यूज्ड पोएटिक डिवाइसेस ऑल्सो। ही हैज़ यूज्ड सिमिलेस इन द पोएम। ही हैज़ कंपेयर्ड हिज फ्रेंड्स ब्यूटी टू ए समर्स डे। He has used metaphor by describing the sun as the eye of heaven. He has personified death as a person who boasts of his powers. There is ex-aggregation in the poem. He says that as long as man breathes or there can see, his friend's beauty will remain alive in the world. He has personified the sun also by referring to his complexion. By using these poetic devices, the poet has paid a tribute to the beauty of his friend. Guys, ये है आपकी सोनेट 18 एक्सप्लेनेशन विद रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट। आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना, अपने साथियों के साथ भी इसको शेयर करना।